Righto, welcome back. New episode, just vanning it. Guys, just want to say thank you for all the support on our channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please, if you don't mind, we're trying to hit that 1,000 subscribers, so we're just under halfway there, so please hit the subscribe button. We really appreciate it. So in this, we're in Coober Pedy at the moment. We're just a quick update with the Opaline top park in pretty much the centre of Coober Pedy. There's a few things wrong with the van after the last trip. If you want to, I'll drop a little tag in if you want to watch the clip where we come across part of the uneasy track. There's a few minor issues inside the van, so I'll show you a bit of that tomorrow. Today is Sue's last day of work, holiday, so we're going to use that time to go explore. There's a few things to do, but we'll start off by doing a mine tour. I'm not sure where it is or what it is, but we'll take you along with us. But let's jump in the ute and start exploring.
Good day, welcome to our channel, Just Vanning It. We plan on taking 2 years to travel the big lap of Australia, exploring coastlines, capturing picturesque scenery, discovering remote destinations, and visiting iconic Australian landmarks. We'll be travelling in our trusty Ford Ranger and trusty Explorer caravan. Free camping and budget camping our way around Australia.
Hi, I'm Derek.
And I'm Sue.
And this is our English Bulldog, Sophie.
Sit back, relax, and come along on our greatest journey, sharing our adventures, building our memories, and hopefully inspiring others to do the same.
Righto, guys, we're out the park exploring. Just looking for something to eat, guys, to be honest. I'm starving.
Derek's hungry.
What's our first stop?
We're going to Old Timers Mine and Museum, which I'm pretty excited about. They are open for business, but self-guided tours only.
So it's not far down the road, is it? Or?
No, not too far. It's about 2 k's.
Okay. So we'll stop and grab a park quick and then we'll head over there.
Hey, we're in Coober Pedy. Just about everything's 2 k's, love.
Oh, righto. 500 metres?
So we just stopped at Oliver's Street Cafe and Derek managed to get a bit of a feed, so he's a happy man with a full belly.
Whoopah!
I've got a coffee, so I'm a happy woman, and I'm chatting to the locals. They've recommended Umuna Opal Mine and Museum is a good stop, so bit of a change of plan from Old Timers through to Umuna. Here we go.
The road ahead, it twists and turns, and the sun beats down and it burns, but I keep...
Wow, guys, look at this. We're in a mine. Look it up, hey? Wow. It's bloody cool. What do you think, love?
It looks cool.
Hey? Some opal over here.
Cause I get up and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back.
So just coming out of Umuna, unfortunately there weren't any tours available. We did have a look at their gem shop, which was unbelievable, and the old chap behind the counter there was really very knowledgeable about opal mining in the area, and he gave us a bit of a rundown of different types of opal. So I tell you what, if their mine tours were open, it would be awesome. But we're going to have a crack at Old Timers Mine, just see if there's anything to see there and if they've got any self-guided tours available.
Oh, with every step my heart it pounds. Yes.
Righto, we're on a self-guided tour of the
Old Timers Mine.
Old Timers Mine, guys. So looks like you sort of head down here. Quickly show you. We came in. There's actual opal in the ground, what it looks like before they dig it out. Thought that was pretty cool. Well, let's start. Wow, you enjoying it?
It's awesome. Really
Bloody
worthwhile.
hell. It's bloody interesting to see how these guys actually mined, eh?
I'm glad they gave us the hard hats because I hit my head about 10 times.
Gee.
And I'm sure it has.
We're on to number 16 out of how many?
26.
26, so Let's keep mining.
Oh no, 45.
45. Well, let's keep mining, guys.
The road ahead, it twists and turns, and the sun beats down and it burns. But I keep on pushing through.
So guys, this is how the, well, they say modern people live underground in Coober Pedy. It's a bit old, but I think it's pretty cool. It's nice and cool in here, isn't it?
So it's 24 degrees underground.
24 degrees underground, and I mean they got kitchens, bathrooms. So I'll give you a quick tour. Alright guys, how cool was that? I bloody enjoyed that, eh?
That was good.
I would say, compared to the mine we went to before, this is way better because it's almost like you're bloody mining yourself, you know? But yeah, it was good, guys. So I'm just going to pop back, check on Sophie at the van, and go buy a permit for this evening's little explore, which should be pretty good if the skies stay clear. So
Watch the space.
watch the space. So guys, just went to the information centre in Coober Pedy. I paid $10 for a permit to enter the breakaways, and it's on some sort of land or something, so we needed to get that. So we're heading out there now for a sunset over the breakaways and to have a look at the dingo fence, and there's a couple other little things out there to have a look at. So I reckon we're about 20 minutes away. So right guys, we were trying to go out to the breakaways and the dog fence and that, and when we were recording we were told that we weren't allowed to, so we just stopped all the recording, came back to the van, and it is what it is. So yep, we'll just leave it as that.
Sacred land.
Sacred land or something. And I did go to the information centre and they said no, I've got to pay $200 for a tour guide, and to be honest with you, yeah, I'm not going to spend $200 on it. So anyway, we're back at the van and I'll just take you through what went wrong on the Udadata track. So these rails underneath here and on the other side all came loose, and the front of the top drawer started coming loose. So I bought some of this to try and help. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to squirt some out, dip a little screw in it and screw it back in, and hopefully that'll hold. But I don't think we're going to go across roads like that, but just in case. So we got this. Inside the van we're getting a bit of a wipe down.
I've given it a wipe down. There was loads of dust from the track, so just
Loads
a
of
wipe
dust.
down,
You need one of
try and
those
get rid of it,
one of those things, I don't know what they call them, but
distract the fans.
they pressurize the caravan, but this one didn't have it. So yeah, anyway, it was fun. I'll drop a link in now in the little top here of us actually doing the Udadata track. If you haven't seen it, go over and watch it. I think it was worth it, but
Yeah, definitely a good experience.
we have to now tackle all the little problems that have come. So I'm going to climb in and do that now for you. So we did those drawers, and hopefully that holds, guys. Bit of a mission, but anyway. So we'll just leave those drawers out for now. Just let that dry a little bit, and I'll pop them in. And guys, we're just going to cook some dinner. Righto, guys, we're up. It's time to pack up. We have to leave today. Yesterday we didn't leave because of the weather. Looks like we've got a break in the weather today. So quick pack up. Shower, full of tanks. We've got the diesel in the ute already, and I think we've got what, 230 k's to drive today, love.
230.
We get on the road and punch those 230 out and get to our next stop.
Righto guys, that's it for Coober Pedy. Where are we going today? Marla.
We're off to Marla.
It's about 230k drive north towards the border. We just stopped out at this little parking lot in Coober Pedy. You pay $1 for 30 litres of water, so we just filled up the tanks, dumped the dump point. It's a pretty handy little spot really. And yeah, we're just gonna jump onto the Stewart Highway and get on the road. So we're just pulling into where?
Cadney Roadhouse.
Cadney Roadhouse, the last roadhouse in the state as we head north. Gonna grab a coffee, stretch our legs.
Woo, coffee.
And yeah, and then I think we only got another 80 k's to go after this, guys, and then we're at Marla. So
Waiting for the NT.
Let's wait for the NT. Right, we're coming in hot to Marla. We're going to stay here a few nights. Road's been long, but we managed to get through.
230 k's.
230 k's, and we're going to pull in here for a few days. Let's get set up. Apparently they got a pub. Let's see if they got cold beer, because I'm really in the mood for a cold beer.
Woo!
Righto, guys. All set up at Marla. Just like that there. So he's just getting ourselves ready. So just simple setup, guys. We booked in here for Wednesday, and we'll take it out from there. Borders only open up on Friday, so got a few days to ponder around here. But now I believe the pub's open for some cold beer, so we're going to take a wander over and have a beer. What are you getting?
I'm getting a coffee.
C's getting a coffee, but I'm gonna head just through there and grab myself a cold beer.
I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue skies. We've been apart for so long, I'm always replaying all the pictures and memories stacked up in my head. I wish I could let you go.
Righto, guys. Cold beer, hot coffee for the wife, and what an awesome place. We just went into the grocery store as well, got some water and some bread. I just left it up there. Awesome little place. What was it for a night here? $30 for power and water?
You can get $20 for 2 adults unpowered, or $30 for 2 adults with power.
Awesome. And yeah, guys, there's plenty of room here. Awesome little pub. But that's it for this vlog. If you're enjoying the content, please hit the like and subscribe button. Help us grow our channel to 1,000 subscribers. We'd really, really appreciate it. But until the next vlog, you guys stay safe.